Hi, this is Spencer over at Peretti Mazda in Covington. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the radar cruise control. To activate your radar cruise control, you're going to select this button here. That turns it on. To set your cruise control, you're going to push that button down there, and that turns your cruise control on. The next option you're going to have is to select the number of car lengths you want to stay back from the car in front of you. To activate this option, click this button up to increase the number of car lengths, and click this button down to decrease the number of car lengths. It'll let you select from 1 to 4 car lengths. While your stop and go radar cruise control is active, it will automatically adjust the speed of your vehicle to coincide with the number of car lengths that you have selected to stay back from the car in front of you. So you don't have to constantly turn your cruise control off, reset it, turn it off again, reset it every time you get behind somebody.